Homesteaders, DIY folks and treehouse enthusiasts. We're doing something a little different today. Next town over has a parade coming up, and so I'm going to make a little parade float and get a friend involved. And there's the beginning of it right there. Stopped by the dump and got a couple items that were thrown away. Let's go have a look. So what we've got so far is we've got the spreader here. It's like a fertilizer spreader for lawn, and I freed up the wheels. They were all rusted tight, and I'm using that because I needed something to build on top of this rail here is going to be a deck, and my friend is going to be inside with their pelvis pressed against this, and their upper body is going to be on top of that deck, and they're going to be like a monkey in a cage, and they're going to have legs, but their real legs are going to be down below, so they can move this thing. It'll look mysterious because it'll be boxed in, and they'll be able to move it along, and then I'll be part of this. I'll be the big top announcer, and I'll have a whip and a megaphone. So we'll see how it goes. But this is what we're making. So to work something like this, the person will get in it, a little tight getting in, and they'll be able to push it around like this. This will be strapped on. This will be strapped around their waist, so up here they can move around, and they'll have a fake set of legs here, but it'll look like this is their whole body up here, the whole monkey up here. And so they'll be in the cage, they'll be a monkey with their legs out in front of them like this. They'll be able to move it. I put this together with screws so I can take it all apart, because I don't want to have to store this after the parade. And I can use these pieces for other things. In fact, this is probably the third use for this piece. Okay, so this is how far I've gotten. So we've got the box around the fertilizer spreader, and I put some scrap pieces of plywood on the side, which I will then put cardboard over. The scrap pieces just gave it a little bit of strength, but if I used all plywood, it would have been a little too heavy. So I'll have cardboard on the sides, cardboard in the back. There'll be a flap here. That'll be the access to get in, and the person that's pushing this is going to be waist high here, and then they'll be above. And then we've decided that it's not going to be a monkey. It's going to be a snake. So I use some scrap things, which I really enjoy finding alternative uses for things like barbecue grill, broken bucket, plant containers, and then I put a wire fencing scrap mesh around it and bent it around to get the shape of the snake, and then a piece of rebar at the end that goes into the box, and the person inside will have one arm out. Their body will be from here up, so there'll be a snake person. They'll have one arm out so they can wave, and one fake arm, and then their other real arm will be down here working this, which will make the tail wiggle like that. I got 2 rolls of rubber scrap at the dump recently. This This stuff is kind of a thick rubber. I may use that. It's kind of big, 4-foot, 4.5-foot roll. And then I also have this smaller stuff, thinner, also black, which may be easier to use. Small roll seemed to be the best stuff. And it's got this backing, turns out, and it's sticky. So it'll be good overlap. And since it's thin, it covers it pretty easily. So I was able to wrap it around and staple it, and then I'll fashion it a little bit more. All right, there it is. Got it covered. All right, so I've done a little painting on it. I got the scorpion part all set up. I got the little pinchers up here to work a little bit, and the tail still wiggles from inside. I attached this fake arm here. That'll move around like that. And my unsuspecting friend that's going to help me out is going to, this opens up a little bit. They can crawl in here, put their head up through here, and put their real arm out that sleeve, and then they'll have a similar clipper. Scorpion lady, because she's not a girl, she's a lady. And Rupert Freak Show. And then I got to work on my costume. One costume down, and the next video I will be making my costume, putting the finishing touches on it, and then off to the parade. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe. It helps me